Hare Krishna. Today we are going to see the commonality between the joke and the sloka and the Krishna's point, or one thing only, it's a expression dangerous. First let us see the joke. A lady was walking on the road. Suddenly she heard a voice. Stop! There is a danger coming above. She stopped. And a load of a crane snapped, the chain snapped and fell just ahead of her. If she had walked, it would have fallen on her head. So then she proceeded. She didn't know who it was. She proceeded further. Then, stop! There is a big pit there. Just see. Yes, there is a pit without light, so nobody could know. And she found that is correct. She stopped and then turned her way around and went further. Then she had a doubt. She stopped and asked aloud towards the sky. She said, "Who are you? Who are you? You are warning me about dangers." Then the voice said, "I am your well-wisher angel. So, I am warning you whenever there is any danger going to happen to you." Then this lady was not knowing what to say. She was happy that she is being warned, but angry at something. Then she asked that voice, "Oh yeah, well-wisher, where were you when I was going to get married? You didn't warn me, why?" How is that? So, the most dangerous thing she experienced is a marriage, and that was left out. So, in the sloka, what we are going to see is a similar dangerous point we will see. Today's sloka is chapter 3, sloka number 35.
श्रेयान् स्वधर्मो विगुणः परधर्मात् स्वनुष्ठितात् स्वधर्मे निधनं श्रेयः परधर्मो भयावहः.
In this sloka, Krishna says, everybody should follow his own dharma. He should not follow another man's dharma, because it is better. Suppose you feel that your own dharma you are not able to perform correctly. He says that is better. Doesn't matter if you are not able to perform your own dharma correctly. But that is much better than following somebody else's dharma. He says, paradharma, somebody else's dharma is dangerous. Now this is more suitable for Arjuna, as if it is directly targeted for him. What is that? What did Arjuna say in the first chapter? Second chapter also. Second chapter mainly. What did he say? Instead of fighting with my gurus and elders and killing them, he said, it is better for me to go on begging. That is a better life than killing the people. So, this Krishna did not like, so he was keeping in mind and telling the correct thing here now for Arjuna. And by the way, this is the first time Krishna is ever talking about Swadharma, own dharma, and the reason for everybody to identify his own dharma and stick to it. Now, the practical point is, why we are saying practical point means, just to emphasize that Gita itself is practical, because whatever we are seeing in Gita, we are seeing elsewhere also, outside the world, outside in the world. We will see a number of people who stick to their traditional business and they are shining well. But In many cases, of course, there are successes also. In many cases where the people leave their own normal job, the family business or whatever they have been following, and start something else, they venture into something else, there they lose money. Then they will say afterwards that we should not have entered in a different line. That is late knowledge. Now, before closing, the gem point about Krishna. Now, when we talk about danger, this is applicable in Krishna's gem point also, dangerous we are using. How? Krishna was never afraid of any dangerous mission. Whether it is killing as we call child, killing a Rakshasa, or the lifting of Govardhana hill against the odds of Indra, dancing on the hoods of a Naga, the multi-hooded Kaliya, or digesting the forest fire, facing that, or jumping into the Arabian Sea. At that time it was not called Arabian Sea, and for searching his Guru's son, Sandipani's son. Everything is a dangerous mission only, but he was never bothered. That is the specialty of Krishna. Hare Krishna.